Welcome to Try It Tuesday. I love Try It Tuesday. I think that Tuesday is my favorite day of the week because of Try It Tuesday. I really look forward to trying something new, and I hope you really like it too. So we're gonna do a bit of a science experiment today. So what we need to get is we need some oil. We need a measuring spoon that is 1 tablespoon. You need a cup to put your oil in. And then you need a jar with water or a big cup with water in it, okay? We also need some food coloring. Oil and water and food coloring are all liquids, right? They all move around. They're not solid, right? So what happens when we mix different liquids together? Well, what happens when we mix water and food coloring together? The water changes colors, doesn't it? That's because this is water-based and this is water, so they mix together really well. But did you know that different liquids have different densities? That means that they're heavier. Some are heavier and some are lighter than the other. I wonder if water and oil are the same density, the same heaviness, or are they different? If they're the same, then they should mix together, but I have a funny feeling they're not going to mix together, okay? So let's start our experiment. We're going to put 4 tablespoons. Oh, and before I continue, I should say, I did not come up with this idea. I saw a video that Miss Johnson shared on Facebook, actually, of another teacher doing this science experiment with her students. So I thought it was a really cool experiment, and I wanted to do it with you. So we're going to put 4 tablespoons, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of oil into our cup, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, put our tablespoon back down and our lid on the oil. We don't want that to spill and make a big mess. So we have some oil, and now we're gonna put a couple drops of each color of food coloring inside the oil, and we're gonna see if they mix up. Do you think that the colors are gonna change the color of the oil like it would the water? Let's see. So we're gonna take the blue. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green, 1. Oh, that one came out really fast. That's okay. Some yellow. Okay, and last color, some red. So something very interesting is happening. I will show you. Look at that. The food coloring, it didn't change the color of the oil. It's still sitting in drops in the cup. Do you see that? What happens if we mix it? What if we take our tablespoon and we mix it up? Oh my goodness, that is so incredible. It didn't change the color. It's still little drops of food coloring. Now, I wonder what's gonna happen when we pour our oil into our water. What do you think is gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna change colors right away? Do you think it's gonna mix, or is it not gonna mix like the oil and the food coloring? Let's see. Okay. Give it another stir. Okay, now pour it in carefully to your jar. Whoa, it turned it a little bit green. Can you see that? what's happening. Whoa. So the oil didn't mix with the water. It stayed up top here. And the food coloring is slowly sinking to the bottom of the oil. And when it hits the water, we start to get like fireworks, and it's mixing. Whoa. That's so neat. Look at all those colors now mixing. They're going all the way to the bottom. But the oil is still on top. It's not mixing because they have different density. Whoa. Whoa, now all those colors are going to get really, really dark. That's what happens when you mix too many colors. Now what happens when we stir? Whoa, look at that. It's a brown color. And the oil is still sticking up top. Very cool. So we kind of made some fireworks in a jar and experimented with different kinds of liquids and mixing. Wow, we're scientists.